Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for overall well-being and longevity. It encompasses a combination of regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and stress management. Here are some reasons why it is important to prioritize a healthy lifestyle. 1. Disease prevention. Engaging in regular physical activity and eating a nutritious diet can help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Healthy lifestyle choices can also boost the immune system, reducing the risk of infections and illnesses. 2. Improved mental health. Exercise releases endorphins, which are known as the feel-good hormones. Physical activity can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve mood, and boost self-esteem. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can also have a positive impact on mental well-being. 3. Increased energy levels. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can lead to increased energy levels and improved stamina. Regular exercise can help improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles, and enhance endurance. Eating a balanced diet rich in nutrients can provide the body with the fuel it needs to function optimally. 4. Better sleep quality. Getting enough quality sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. Engaging in regular exercise and following a healthy diet can help regulate sleep patterns and improve sleep quality. 5. Longevity. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, individuals can increase their life expectancy and enjoy a higher quality of life as they age. Healthy habits such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management can help prevent age-related diseases and maintain physical and mental well-being. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for overall health, well-being, and longevity. By making small, sustainable changes to daily habits, individuals can reap the benefits of a healthy lifestyle and live their best lives.